Hello there, friends. Welcome to Learning with Mr. Tyrine, where we learn and play together. My name is Mr. Tyrine. And today, we're going to be talking about numbers 0 through 10 in American Sign Language, or ASL. Are you ready to learn how to use your hands to count? All right, let's have fun as we learn numbers in ASL. Get your hands ready. Let's put them up. Let's crack them. We can stretch them out. All types of stuff. All right? And let's jump right in. Let's start by learning numbers 0 through 5. So what you do is hold up the number 0, just like this, which is the letter O in sign language also. So we have 0, and then we have 1, but for the numbers 1 through 5, you would have them facing you. Okay, you'll have your palm facing you, just like this. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now I know you guys are used to doing 3 with your ring finger. All right, so in ASL, you will be using your thumb, just like this. Okay, and then we have 4, 5. All right, let's try it one more time, boys and girls, from the number 0. Are you guys ready? All right, let's get started. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Terrific job, guys. Give yourselves a round of applause or even a pat on the back. For the next set of numbers, we're going to use the same hand, but our palm is going to be facing the outside this time, just like this, guys. All right? So to form the number 6, we're going to need to have our thumb and our pinky touch each other, just like this. All right, guys, this is the number 6, okay? And then to form the number 7, we'll have our ring finger and our thumb touch each other, just like this. And then for the number 8, we'll have our middle finger touch our thumb, okay? Just like this. This is the number 8. And then for the number 9, we'll have our index finger touch our thumb, just like this. All right, this is the number 9. And then for 10, we'll just make a fist and have our thumb up, just like this. And then we're going to give it a shake for the number 10. Ready? So we'll start with the number 6. So we'll do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent job, everybody. Okay, time to put them all together, starting with 0. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Thank you for learning with me today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more fun videos. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.